Prepare the platform body and installation accessories. Slide for M820 square head bolts into the bottom slots on each side of the platform. Remove for mounting brackets. Need to distinguish between front, rear, left and right. Loosen the screws on the mounting bracket. Be careful not to screw out. Install the 4 mounting brackets onto the underside of the platform in their designated positions, with 2 on each side. Note that you need to distinguish between front, rear, left and right. Secure them using M820 square head bolts, double hole washers, and M8 lock nuts, but do not fully tighten yet. Lift the roof platform to the roof. The front bracket is 27 centimeters from the front luggage rack here. The rear bracket is 10 centimeters away from the rear roof rail. Platform tail 35 centimeters from rear bracket tail. Adjust platform position, centered on the roof. Clamp the brackets onto the factory roof rack. Tighten the bolts, then loosen them by 2 turns. Tighten the nuts that hold the bracket to the roof platform. Put this screw near again. Snap the trim cover into the mounting bracket, pressing it in along the direction of the arrow. Installation complete.